I wish I can show you what I just saw. So funny how movies and things we see in life, it's just so funny. I'm looking how to Hawaii, they say there's 2 storms coming, right? And when you look at these islands, check this out. When you look at these islands, I know it's very hard to see and you can't see it, but you see the black spot here? It shows going down. This looks like a seashell, a large seashell that grew moss supporting the seashell, okay? Just like a porcelain blocks the water all around, it's sewn into the ground, the seashell. Seashells. Who sells seashells by the seashore? Looks like Coney Island was actually a cocoon of islands, trees and seashells. Where's the oceans? Where are the islands built into this place? So many pieces, so many parts, so many things to talk about. So in video number 1 of the day, I already made one video, but I'm not going to upload it. I wasn't happy, so I'll upload it in pieces and parts. 010100, irrelevant to the numbers. This one apparently in binary is 2. This one is 24. 110 stories of the Twin Towers equals to the 24-day of man 6. 420 is the reverse. That's why they don't want 420. It's an energy, just like the telephone energy, right? The telephone energy works when the power's not there. 111 is 124. Binary 7, the gateway. 9 lives of the cat. 9 lives of the bad cat. 12 is the 3 power. 110 reverse to 6 man. 6-3 is your creation. The B world is 2 and 7. 6-3 is your creation. You notice the way 3 is inside 2 and 6 is below 7. We get this. But 7 is on the outside. If 7 is on the outside, right, as an added number, then shouldn't 1 be on the inside? 1 is inside of 6, the opposite side, right? Take away 1, add 1 towards 6. Take 7 away from 1, right, equals to minus 6. Add 1 to 6, right? If you take 1 away from minus 6 and 1 equals to minus 5. Minus 5 plus 7. The GE terminal minus 5 plus 7 is the answer according to these numbers. Now we're going to work in doubles. All zeros, forget about binary, because we can replace all binary numbers. If I come up with 108 in binary, there'll be 8 times the 1 area. Instead of using all these numbers, they shorten binary, right? Like this one over here would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 1, 2, 4, right? So if you say 108, you're actually saying 208. Excuse me, you're actually saying 408 in binary. If this would say 216 in binary, okay, exchange, this would actually be 8, this would be 2, and this would be 12. 6. 8, 2, 6. So every 0 is equal to 6. So this would be 6, 6, 2. 6 and 6 is 12. 1 and 2 is 4. It'd be 14. 6 times 6 is 36 times 2 is 72. Equals 72, 86. 003 is 663, becomes 15, becomes 108. 3 cycles. The triangle becomes ABC, 1, 2, 3. Creation inside of Saturn. Creation from Neptune through Jupiter. 004, 234 vibration becomes 664, becomes 16. The 1 spirit of the half-life, hang me up on the cross, equals to the day of man. 160, the spirit inside the moon. 005, 665, 17, 187, 197, 163. The separation in this one is what we're going to use, is 34. 34 and 33 inside. That's DC power. Now the other side, okay, of fade. Remember, there's one side and the other side, right? In between, you have to have a space. Put the moon in between, whatever you want. 6 is over here, right? 6 is over here. Now you have 666. Equals to 18, A and H. Evan, 216, now we connect the Mayan. Now we connect the vibration high and low. Now we have 36 creation. 007, the gateway, becomes 19, the spirit. 25, earth, 52, earth. 271, 36 is the difference. Is that right? Is that 36 the difference? Over here? Let me see. The first one was the difference of 28. That was the cycle of the moon. The next one was the difference of 30, creation. The next one's the difference of 32, the doorway, the freezing point. The next one is 34 DC, the 36 creation of man inside 666. The next one is the gateway, the spirit. It seems like we have this number over here. Did I make that mistake? This one is 252 minus 18 is 233, is it not? 233 to 40. So this is say 233. I knew it was a mistake. $233. So the difference is 38. That would be 2 sides. 38 is your number that shows 2 sides of gematria. That's what it is. That's 7 and T, the T that connects, okay? The G comes from under, the T comes from on top. Anyways, forget about what I just said. 8 is the heavens, the connecting of 2 sides, part of PH and I. 668 becomes 20. 15 and 5, 3 worlds in 1 world, always an added world. 288. That's your point of connection where we add in the 1.25. 1.25 times 288 is 360. Becomes 308, becomes 268, becomes the division of her, right? 308, 268 plus 268 minus equals 40. That's your star system. This becomes 669. 12, you know what? I'm sorry to do this. I should do this because the light is screwing everything up from behind. Here is 21. 21 is a cube. The cube is entered when man's 9 birth. 12 and 9. I and L. It says him and her. Over here, 21, right? Over here, I have to mark that a little bit stronger. I know it's very hard to see. 21, over here, now you have 324 vibration. 234 vibration. When you take 324 and add 21, you have 345. When you minus, you have 303, which would be 363 because of the 0. 363 in this, it's 18 up, it's 42 down. 18 up, 42 down, right? Because this is 0. I'd be going to 363. Now, when we get to 10, we get 616, okay? We multiply. 6 by 6 is 36. 13 and 36, we're all the way back down to 1 again. So now I would be adding this up, right? 2 and 8 will come together. 3 and 7 will come together. 4 and 6 will come together. 2 and 5 will come together. 1 and 6 will come together. 3 and 4 will come together. So now we have the spirit of the moon cycle, right? Which will create, this will create man. Man on the moon, okay? My birth is 5724. Man 24, moon 57. I was the man born on the moon in 1963. But they don't go to the moon right away because I got no spirit. I was born. I was born to the earth. But they're building the receptor. They're building. I'm an antenna. It goes in me and out, and in me and out. I breathe. If they give me the right air to breathe, I can transpire into anything they want to change me in the air. There's a secondary system. We're built into the system. They built a receiver. They feed us. We eat. We can't eat. We don't eat before we're born. It was a sperm. My mother ate. And finally, my mouth got big enough. I got a place to deposit it. And then I ate. They built my antenna inside of me. It went in and out from the breath. So if I breathe slow enough, I can intake the water in the air, which is the energy, because the trees breathe on the energy of the air. What do trees actually eat? It's the nutrients that come with wind. Well, there's nutrients in water. But things, because of the energies and the crisscross of the energy of this earth, everything was distorted. So I really don't want to even talk about that. There was one other thing in here. I'm not sure how I can bring out its relevance. But 11 plus 12, right? 11 plus 12 equals to 23. 23.5. Because 2 and 3 equals to 5. So it's telling me what area it's in. But I didn't want to even think about it. Earth, Mars, and memory. 32 times 8, okay, equals to 256. You double that, becomes Earth, Mars, memory. Mercury, okay, is that receptor. 51, 52 equals to Mercury. The halfway is 108, right? 3/4 parts of 36, 36, 36. 108, 108. Bring them together. It's 72, 72, 144. 108 becomes 168, becomes 168, 336. 336 is the number to 12 moons. 216 is the number to connect the Mayan calendar. Okay, at 432 vibration of those 2 moons connecting towards 2 sides. 216 or 240, 9 days or 10 days. We need the extra day to link. We need the 7th day to link. We need the 4th day to link. There's 3 links in a week. So if there's 3 links in a week and 36 is your connection of your 360, that means 108 plus 3 is 111. 110 stories to the Twin Towers plus the roof, 111. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, plus the square 4 is 115, bringing the 4 worlds together, 0.20, and that's your receptive dial for your telephone landlines operation. Raphael, and I've got the key. Thank you for watching this video.